How you doing? How you doing? It is Chris the Method Man. I am your slender, handsome host, Christopher Dylan Williams, and I'm grateful to have you here. Today, guys, some sad and upsetting news. There will be no charges filed for the murderers who killed Shanquella Robinson. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to the video, man. Then I'm gonna give my opinion, and yeah. Hold on.
Months ago, Mexican authorities say one of the people on that trip killed her. They've also issued an arrest warrant for one of the people on that trip, but haven't said who that is.
Okay.
And today, renowned civil rights attorney Sue-Ann Robinson will gather with the community supporters after meeting with federal authorities in the Queen City. Initially, Shanquella's friends claimed that she died from alcohol poisoning, but an autopsy revealed that it was a severe spinal cord injury. At 1:30 this afternoon, the legal team will join Robinson's family for an update after going on a fact-finding mission to Mexico.
Guys, well, that was the listening to Shanquella. That was the earlier version. But guys, let me tell you this: not everybody who enters your life is your friend. Not everybody gives a damn about you, bro. Sometimes the only reason why people give a damn about you is what you can do for them, right? If it's money, if it's materialistic things, if they need something, stay away from those people, man. What Shanquella has taught me, man, it doesn't matter how nice you are. It doesn't matter who you are, man. You can still get taken advantage of. You can still lose your life being behind the wrong people. Guys, you have to understand this, man. That the people that you are around with matter. They can affect you spiritually. They can affect the way that you act. They can affect who you want to become as a person. Or this person can hold you back. Or this person can stab you in the back. You just might not know it. Because this person might put on a facade and act like, oh yeah, yeah, I'm your friend. Oh yeah, 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 you cool people. Yeah. But until they stab you in the back, man, and then they take your life. Or they destroy you. That's why I'm glad, man, that some people were removed out of my life, man. Because I realized, man, not everybody had good intentions around me, man. And I wanted to better myself as a person. Just because you call that person your friend, or you call somebody something other than that, doesn't mean they have the right intentions for you. They may act like a nice person, but this person doesn't even give a damn about you. And it's sad. It's sad in this world, man. They got some evil people out here, man. Evil people. You know, I mean, I can't judge nobody, man, but I just, that hurts my heart, man. That Shanquella, she wasn't able to get the justice that she deserved, man. She deserved better friends around her. She deserved to be around people who cared about her. Now I know her family cared about her, but I'm talking about just better friends, better people around her. Again, guys, just because a person, just because you call a person your friend, doesn't mean they have the right intentions for you, bro, or sis, or other. they don't have the right intentions for you. Later down the line, man, they may act like, oh, this is this cool person, man. Like, but then they stab you in the back, man. You have to watch out for that. You have to use discernment. When you feel that something is not right with this person, ask God to remove them out of your life. And that's just protection. And God has protected me all my life, man, from people who didn't even have the best intentions. And I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful. But I realized, man, the people that were removed from my life, man, you'd be surprised, man, who those people were. You'd be surprised. You'd be like, damn, I thought we were real cool a minute ago, man. But then at one moment, man, they just stopped talking. But then maybe that's just God's protection. But guys, I'm the type of person, man, just like I'm kind of like a loner. Like I have friends, man, but it's like I keep it small. I keep my important friends around me, and then I keep everybody else at a distance. Because I know what's for me, and I know the people who are against me. But that's taken me. I've been grateful in my life, man, to have good friends who actually care about me and who give me wisdom and just help me become a better person, get closer to God, etc. But some people are not so fortunate with well, I'm not gonna say fortunate. I'm gonna say there's some people who pick the wrong people in your life, right? Like there's some people who would choose the wrong friends, knowing they're not good for you, and you know before you meet a person, they put on a facade. They act like, okay, yeah, you cool, yeah. The only reason why they're friends with you is because they see that you're a nice person that you can get taken advantage of. See, there's a difference between a nice person and a good person, right? So, man, just because you're a nice person doesn't mean you need to let all these toxic people in your life. Because years down the line, that can end up hurting you. Look at Shanquella Robinson, man. This beautiful soul, man. Beautiful woman. Who cared for her community, who had a hair business, who was doing big things for herself. And her business was known across the community. She deserved better than this, man. But people, she deserved better than this, man. She deserved to still be here on this earth today. I hope this case goes to the Supreme Court or appellate courts. I hope it goes to the big house, because this is where it needs to be. And these so-called friends, so-called people that were around Shanquella, and the guys who filmed her murder, and the woman who murdered her, deserve to be locked for life. I just can't believe a person would do that, man. I can't believe that. I really can't just wrap my mind around that, man. How can they do this to this nice person, this angel? How can they do that? I just don't get it, man. Like, people can be so cruel, man. Like, just because I have something that you want doesn't mean I have to give it to you. And just because I'm a nice person, I'm not going to let you run over me or take my life. I'm just not going to let you do that. I'm not. So, guys, we cannot, as people, as black people, or as people of other races, we cannot let our guards down, man. We have to pray to God to choose our right friends, the right people in our lives, and eliminate all those people who hold us back or who have ill intentions towards us. Now, this is just my opinion, guys. Take it as you want it. But there needs to be justice for Shanquella Robinson. Say her name. Say her name because she should still be living on this earth. Say her name because she deserves to have a better life than that. Say her name because she deserves better friends. Say her name because the people who murdered her need to be locked up in prison. Say her name because she was a one-of-a-kind person. Say her name because her family needs this justice. Say her name because we need a better justice system. Not just us as Black people, but for America as a whole and the world. Say her name because she deserved better. Now, this is Chris the Method Man. This is my opinion. I'm grateful to have you here. You'll have a wonderful spring break. Other podcasts will be coming up. I haven't been doing interviews for like a good minute, for like a couple months. So I'm going to do a couple of interviews coming up next week. So anybody who is interested coming on the show, just giving their story, giving their opinion, I'll greatly appreciate that. So see you guys later. Y'all stay blessed. Hope you and your families are doing well. And have a good one. Peace. God bless.